Welcome to Phanganist.com. Today I'm here with Sarah from Orion Healing.
Yes, Orion Healing and Detox Centre.
Amazing. And what is your role at Orion?
So I'm the head of the yoga department at Orion. So I also teach all the different styles of classes as well, but predominantly I manage the other teachers and I manage the full schedule because we have a schedule of full classes and workshops. So we run a number of different workshops every week as well.
Okay, amazing. So Orion, you do yoga as well as there's a lot of detox as well, right?
Yeah, so it is a detox and healing centre. So we have a lot of people that come just for detox, but as part of that, they have the opportunity to go to some of the more gentle classes. And people come for yoga retreats. People come for, we have a number of programs, healthy living, fitness, intermittent fasting. So there's lots of different programs they can join, and yoga is part of their programs.
Amazing. So you were in India before, the home of yoga, and you came specifically to Koh Phangan.
Yeah, so I was living and teaching in India. So also on retreats and on teacher trainings. And it's very seasonal in India, so the monsoon season was coming, so I was looking for my next position. Found the position in Orion, so moved specifically to Koh Phangan for the role.
And how are you finding Koh Phangan in terms of a place to practice and teach yoga? Why do you think it's become this kind of hub?
I think wellness is a massive industry now, and I think people are so much more aware of health and well-being, and that fits really nice with the practice of yoga. So it's really blown up. It's so popular. There's so many options, especially in Koh Phangan, for to practice yoga and to train to be a yoga teacher. So it's good, you know, competition is good. We can see what everyone's doing and try to be the best.
And do you think the natural surroundings of the island here are beneficial for practicing yoga as well?
Yeah, I mean, definitely. It's such a calm, peaceful place, and I know at Orion, one of our yoga shalas is called the beach shala, and it's directly on the beach, so you practice yoga to watching the waves, watching the sea, so you already have that calming effect in the mind before you even start to move the body.
So how did you personally get into yoga?
It was actually in Thailand. It was my first yoga experience, and this was over 10 years ago. I was traveling Thailand, and I went to a yoga class that was taught by a very elderly Thai woman.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and she could move her body in ways that I couldn't move mine, and I'm like, she's more than double my age, but felt that she was so much more flexible and so much more in tune with her body, and it made me think, okay, there is something to do with yoga. And from there I just started to practice and just built my love, and eventually made my hobby, my passion, my job. So
do you have like a speciality that you teach, like vinyasa or hatha?
I mean, vinyasa is my my first love. It's my first love, so that's my favorite. But at Orion, we also, all the teachers will teach vinyasa, hatha, restorative and meditation.
Lovely. And how has yoga changed your life?
It's still changing my life. It's a never-ending journey of learning, but it certainly grounded me, made me a calmer person, more relaxed, just more in tune with my body and what feels good for me, which changes all the time. So it's not like you find yoga and that's it. You adapt and you change, and your yoga practice changes through age and different, different periods of your life.
That's nice. So it can kind of go on this journey with you. That's really nice.
And you dip into different types. There's so many different types now. So it's finding what suits you at that period of your life, and just rolling with it.
Amazing. And so at Orion, do you just drop in for classes as well as do like full courses?
So we have drop-ins, so we just have lots of people that are here on the island, either permanently or long term or on holiday that come to do drop-in classes. We also have like a day pass, a week pass, a 10 class pass, unlimited pass. So you can buy whatever's going to suit you for your time. And then, yeah, it will be people that will be here on yoga retreats or one of the other programs that includes yoga within that.
Right,
so we have a real mix of internal and external people in every class.
Amazing, yeah. Okay, and leave people with some encouragement to come and do yoga on Koh Phangan.
Okay, I mean, I think if you're thinking about doing yoga, then just do it. Do it. Everyone has that moment where they're doing their first class and they feel nervous. But I think you know, each class that we have, it's a real variety of people, beginners to more advanced, and you know, you can do what is best for your body, what suits your body. You don't always have to be the most advanced practitioner in the classes. So I think you always feel better after a yoga class. The hardest part of the yoga class is just getting to the class. When you've done the class, guaranteed your body feels better, you've stretched out every muscle, your mind feels more clear. And Orion's it's a beautiful place to do this. You have the sea view, it's such a calm setting already. As soon as you walk into the place, you're
on the west coast, right?
Yeah.
On sunset side.
Yes, you can enjoy sunset with one of our classes because it starts at 6 o'clock, so the sun sets as you're doing the practice. It's amazing.
Yeah. Come to yoga on Koh Phangan.
Come, check out Orion.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
Thank you.
Thank you.